Alright, chill. Into this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get them, them infinite spin. You feel me? But what you need to do, you just wanna go ahead and make sure you guys click the link below. I'm doing a $5,000 giveaway on my Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. Just go ahead and click earning credit. Feel me? Scroll right on the bottom. Redeem up to 200 to your PayPal. Yes, sir. Start. Pay. Cash App up to 480. Yes, sir. Matter of fact, that would be 580. Let's see what we get here. 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 Start. As you see, these are the top performers right here. As you already know, we already 20,000. Yes, sir. Double my coins, please. 240. And accept. One more. 120. Let's go. And boom. So here is where it come the good part at. Feel me? Is where the good part came. So now you just gonna have to share. By the time I share this link in the description, it's gonna expire already. So mind as well. Just make sure you guys share this video, and make sure you guys subscribe. And I'll catch you guys later. Make sure you guys subscribe, y'all. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'm doing 5,000 giveaway.